Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to set up security features on InfinitePay.io. Protecting your account is crucial and InfinitePay.io offers several features to enhance your security. So let's get started. First of all, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the settings or security section. This is where you can find all the available security features. Start by setting up two-factor authentication. Select on the two-factor authentication option and follow the prompts to link your account to an authenticator app or receive SMS codes. Next, create strong and unique passwords for your account. Use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthdays or common words. Enable notifications for account activity. This will alert you to any suspicious activity or unauthorized login attempts on your account. You can set up email or SMS notifications. Review and manage your account permissions. Ensure that only trusted devices and applications have access to your account. Remove any devices or apps that you no longer use or recognize. Regularly update your security questions and answers. Choose questions that only you know the answers to and avoid using information that can be easily found online. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to set up security features on InfinitePay.io. By following these steps, you can protect your account and ensure your financial data remains secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.